What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear this word? An off-road SUV, which is mammoth in proportions and as slow as a sloth. Well, that definition is about to change. You see, from a long time, Hummer was a brand that made vehicles for the US Army. But when Arnold Schwarzenegger, the legend, made a request to buy the SUV, the US government made some modifications and made it road legal. And that's how the journey of the road going Hummer began. The first version was the Hummer H1, which was basically a road legal version of the Army one, literally a tank. It was the same SUV. The Hummer sold like hotcakes because of its road presence and muscular looks. The demand for this SUV was insane. Fun fact, Ronnie Coleman, 8 times Mr. Olympia, possibly the greatest bodybuilder of all time, actually won the Arnold Classic Bodybuilder competition just because he wanted a free Hummer H1. That's how crazy the demand for this SUV is. Then came the Hummer H2. It was slightly muted, more road friendly, and had improved road performance, but it had some pretty big flaws. The visibility from inside the car was really poor. Yes, the Hummer H2 might probably be the only SUV that has visibility issues because SUVs sell because of their great visibility. At this time, Hummer became more of a show-off symbol than an actually good performing SUV. The Hummer H3 was the last SUV that came out, but it didn't capture as much attention as the previous models. So after this, the gas crisis hit and Hummer basically got shut down. A few days ago, GMC teased the Hummer EV. Yes, they are not going to launch a gas guzzling SUV now. They are going to launch an EV. And guess what? It doesn't make any sense. Here is why. The official website says that it will have over 1,000 horsepower. What? 1,000 horsepower in a Hummer? Those are hypercar power numbers. GMC, you insane or what? You are going to destroy everyone. The torque, as the website displays, is around 11,500 pound-feet. Now, of course, it isn't the torque from the batteries, because if it were, then the Hummer EV would basically fly off. It's probably the wheel torque of the Hummer EV just to make numbers more exaggerating. Tesla did the same thing with the Roadster. They disclosed the wheel torque and not the actual torque that the batteries of the car are going to generate. Here comes the craziest part. The Hummer EV will actually do 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. Yes, you read it right. Not 5 seconds or 6 seconds, just 3 seconds. The Hummer H1 did 0 to 60 miles per hour in 13 seconds. They have cut off a whole 10 seconds.
The real revolutionaries, the ones that change the game forever, understand that strength is never enough. Evolving, imagining, seeing the world not as it is, but how it could be. That's how true greatness is realized. That is how you change the world.
I am so stoked about the engineering that has went behind the making of this new Hummer. I can't wait for GM to launch this monster on the roads. After this, I can definitely say that the future is exciting. Thank you. That's it for this time. I trust you liked it. If you did, then do share it with your friends and do consider subscribing to Motor Drift for more such videos in the future. All the links will be in the description. Also, do provide your feedback in the comments below. Till then, ciao.